Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Dheyananda Alfadilah from PBI B. This time I will retelling an article. The title of this article is An Investigation into a Link Between Classroom Environment and EFL Students' Teachers' Academic Achievement, with Muhammad Holandyah and May Afriliani as the authors. Academic achievement is important for students to prepare them for future career and to allow students to enter competitive fields. One of factors that affects students' academic achievement is classroom environment. The classroom is a basic structural unit of our educational system. Therefore, creating a conducive learning environment by providing sufficient classroom environment physically and psychologically are very important. From the explanation above, the aims of this study were to find out the first, whether or not there was any significant correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang, and second, whether or not classroom environment significantly influenced academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang. The population of this study was all the students of English Education Study Program of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang in the academic year 2016 until 2017, which consisted of 580 students. Then, 366 students of English Education Study Program of the second, fourth, and sixth semesters took part in the study as the sample by using convenience sampling. In this study, correlational research method was used to find out the correlation between variables and interpret the result that may appear. The data of this study were collected by administering a questionnaire of college and university classroom environment and inventory. To assess classroom environment of the students, and the students' cumulative GPA was also used to get the students' academic achievement scores. Before analyzing the data obtained, normality and linearity test was conducted. The results from the instrument of both questionnaire and students' GPA were calculated to find any potential correlation between variable true percent product moment coefficient in SPSS with 5% significant level. Then, the significance of the correlation coefficient is used to determine by comparing the data of the coefficient R data. In the level of the value of the study, the interpretation were made based on the result of the data analysis. According to the findings, there was a positive and significant correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement, and also an influence of classroom environment toward academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. From the findings and interpretation in discussed above, some conclusion could be presented. First, the correlation coefficient or the R obtained was higher than R table. It means that the result indicated that there was a positive and significant relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement. Second, the findings reveals that there was a slight influence of classroom environment toward academic achievement of English education study program students of Islamic University of Raden Fatah Palembang. It was shown that classroom environment gave only 8% contribution to their academic performance. So it can be inferred that the lower classroom environment as perceived by the students, the lower their academic achievement will be. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.